The YouTube channel L&A Finance offers information and entertainment about the lottery results. While we strive to ensure that the information is accurate and up-to-date, we do not guarantee that the information is complete, accurate, or reliable. The lottery results presented on L&A Finance are provided by ChatGPT, an artificial intelligence platform. Although ChatGPT uses advanced technology and algorithms to generate accurate results, we cannot guarantee the accuracy or reliability of these results. L&A Finance shall not be liable for any loss or damage that may arise from the use of the information provided on our channel. All information is provided as is, and we make no express or implied warranties as to the accuracy, reliability, or suitability of the information for any particular purpose. Content published on L&A Finance should not be construed as financial or investment advice. Any financial or investment decisions made based on the information presented on our channel are the sole responsibility of the user. In addition, L&A Finance will not be responsible for the content of user comments on our videos. We reserve the right to remove any comments that we deem inappropriate or that violate YouTube's community policies. By using content provided by L&A Finance, you agree that your use of such information is at your own risk and that you are responsible for all consequences arising therefrom. Don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our videos. If you like the content, share it and like this video. If you want to request the numbers yourself from ChatGPT, you should know that we have an explanatory video in our YouTube library. Ready? Let's ask for the Powerball numbers from ChatGPT. Attention, the game is about to begin. Numbers are showing out. The first number is number 3. The second number is number 12. The third number is number 25. The fourth number is number 44. The fifth number is number 62. Finally, the lucky Powerball number is number 9. Good luck! Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you at the next lottery draw.